Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own DIY graphite powder at home with a super fast technique. And for making this DIY graphite powder, you will need a graphite pencil, which will be a 9B pencil, and a sandpaper and professional graphite powder for the comparison. So let's begin. So first of all, you will need a small piece of sandpaper of grit size, approximately 80 to 120. Now place your pencil lead on sandpaper and rub gently. So this way you will get the fine quality graphite powder in no time. Remember that the quality of your graphite powder depends on the size of your sandpaper. As you can see that the lead is finished, you can repeat the same process to get more graphite. Look at the quality of this graphite powder. Whenever you do this technique, make sure that you use a lead which is a softer one to get a nice and soft graphite powder. By the way, this is my favorite method of graphite powder making because it's simple and faster than the other complex methods. So let's do some comparison by using this DIY graphite powder and the market one. You can see that there is no difference in the market one and the homemade DIY graphite powder. So this is it for today's video. Make sure to make your own branded graphite powder by following this tutorial. And if you get a value out of it, feel free to comment your review about this one. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.